bag with me right now. Normally, you're only going to apply one, so we would just apply that on the back of your neck.
Right now, I have this difficulty in breathing, like
Nope.
explaining or something. Maybe
got that.
later on,
So,
it will be better.
okay. So let's go ahead. Well, we're gonna check something. So the first thing is the X39 can go on the back of the neck. Tilt your head forward. So it's right there. Now, second thing is now you could put, for example, the Eon patch there. We can stimulate the lungs directly. Now, does that hurt at all? Is there any sensitivity there? Okay. So we'll check you in about 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that, and we'll ask you to take a deep breath and then see if there's any change. You can take a deep breath now if you'd like.
David,
Excited.
David,
Get
what's
something already?
what's the
How come there's something happening here?
That's technology.
I'm feeling something like hot.
Yeah. So that what you're feeling is basically the patch starting to go to work and energy moving through your body. So you should notice begin to notice the difference in your breathing rather quickly.
Yeah. Actually, the wheezing feeling in my ear. Oh my God. Sorry. This is not for something. No, the wheezing is,
improved?
yeah. And
Very fast.
You need some water?
She has difficulty in the ears.
My right ear can't hear anymore. Kasi brain tumor survived.
Hindi, no? Hindi.
Have you tried the
Wala na yung
X39?
wheezing sa tenga niya. Tagal na.
See, I should probably leave these out.
You are at the right place at the right time.
Okay.
Everything happens for a
Can you
purpose.
fly now?
Huh?
Can you fly?
I can.
You are such a blessing, Sir David.
It's just that
Wow. That's first hand right there.
um, there's no more wheezing right now. Because usually if I will talk too much, there's some blockage in my ear. And the breathing is like, as you can notice how I talk, there's this difficulty.
So that's X39.
So I'm looking forward to use this.
Yay!
So you asked me, would it take a couple of months? So now what do you think? Maybe not a couple of months, right? Maybe a little quicker?
Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations.
Sorry,
No,
I'm
no,
too
that's
emotional
okay.
because
I'm very happy
it's
for you.
been like how many years that I'm cancer free, and then last year I just found out, and then I'm taking so many alternative like herbal. I'm taking Ferni, like vitamin E. I'm taking magnesium, and I didn't experience this kind of effect.
Wow.
I'll tell you a story. I had a meeting this morning, and I had a gentleman fly from China to meet with me. And he has a friend. This was actually made the national news in China. A young woman, about 20 years old, suffered a brain aneurysm. And she was going to, she was a very brilliant young girl. She was going to school in Boston. And she was hospitalized. She nearly died. And her family rang up $13 million in medical expenses over a course of 9 years trying to keep her alive. So they finally got her to the point where they stabilized her condition, but she had lost the ability to speak and she could no longer walk. So they contacted a doctor in Texas who's an acupuncturist to try to help her. And they made some progress, but all they could really do was just keep her stable. The doctor got the X39 and started to try it, and in only 1 week of using the X39, this woman was able to get out of her wheelchair and walk, and she was able to start speaking again. So this guy said, "Oh, I've got to meet the inventor now that he's going to be in the Philippines, and find out more about it." So that was something I just heard about this morning. So,
Congratulations, Janice.
Sir David.